So now we're going to move on to the verses. The chord progression is exactly the same as it was in the intro. So now when the drums start to come in, we have to count 2 bars. On the second bar, 4 beat, we're going to start playing. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. We're going to play a similar thing we played in the intro. Barring with the index finger, first 3 bottom strings, sliding down and adding that low open E string. So now we come up to the 2nd fret, 4th string, and do a trill here. After that, we're going to use a palm muting technique and just ride that string. We're going to do a couple of hammer-on pull-offs, starting from the 4th string, 2nd fret, moving on to the 5th string on the 2nd fret. And we finish this on the G note, which is the 3rd fret, 6th string. So, now we're going to do a chord here. We're going to put our index finger on the 2nd fret, 3rd string, and on the 3rd fret, 2nd string, we place the ring finger. And what we're going to do here, we're going to play the chord, release it, play it, then again. Now we're going to do some slides. 2 frets up, 2 frets down. Then we're going to play those strings open and adding that chord. So we start by playing chord, releasing, playing again, sliding 2 frets up, 2 frets down, then playing open strings and adding. Then we're going to move to A minor. We're going to play the note on the 5th fret, 6th string, and we're going to do some stretches here. So bar your index finger on the 5th fret, place your ring finger on the 4th string, 7th fret, and your pinky on the 9th fret, 4th string. And what we're going to do here, we're going to play those middle strings, and we're going to play 9, 7, 5, 5. Then we're going to move up and play 5th and 4th string, placing our pinky on the 8th fret, then 5, 5, hammer on, then moving again to the 5, 5 middle strings, and hammer on. So all together it sounds like this. And we're gonna play open E string and move to the E minor 7 chord. Do the same hammer on we did in the intro, which is on a 8th fret, 2nd string, we hammer on from 8th to 10th. And we play that 3rd string. We wait, and then slightly we play all the chord. Up, 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 up. Then we go to a B minor chord, grab that B with your thumb on the 7th fret, 6th string, and we're gonna play this little thing. So what I'm doing here is, you have to use your index finger, place it on the 7th fret, 1st string, and we're gonna play 7, 9, 7. Then we're gonna put our pinky on the 2nd string, 10th fret, and end it on the 7th fret, 2nd string. Now we're gonna do a hammer-on pull-off. On the 3rd string, 7th fret, we're gonna hammer on from 7 to 9 and pull off, and we're gonna end this while placing our ring finger on the 4th string on the 9th fret. Then we're gonna play the same note on the 7th fret, 3rd string. This time hammer on pull off on the 8th fret. And end it on the 8th fret, 4th string. And we finish this just by playing simple note on the 7th fret, 4th string. So all together, we're gonna do again some stretches, middle strings, again barring the 5th fret, ring finger on the 7th, pinky on the 9th. And we go 9, 7, 5, 5. Go up strings. We're gonna play 5th and 4th now, placing a pinky on the 8th fret. And then we place our ring finger on the 7th fret, 5th string. And we're gonna do hammer-ons from here to 8th fret. Now we're gonna move and grab that G note again, 3rd fret, 6th string. And we're gonna play G major, sus4 chord. But this time we're gonna play it a little bit differently. We're gonna place our fingers differently so it would be easier to move into a G sus2 chord. So, bar your 2nd and 1st string on the 3rd fret with your index finger. Then place your middle finger on the 3rd string, 4th fret, and put your ring finger on the same string, 5th fret. So now we're playing this chord. We're gonna play it down, down, up, and while you're moving your fingers up with the upstroke, you have to move your ring finger to the 5th fret, 4th string. Now from here we're gonna make that G sus4 chord, which is sounds like this. sus2, I'm sorry. And what we're gonna do here, we're gonna not play it here, we're gonna move we move to the 1st fret, sliding 2 frets up. So I'm gonna remind you the chord. Your thumb on the 1st fret of 6th string, your ring finger on the 3rd fret, 4th string, pinky on the 3rd fret, 1st string, and index finger on the 2nd string, 1st fret. Don't let your 5th string sound ring, but do allow the G note to ring, the G string. So you go to that C major chord again, make it in a C6 sus2, which we make by moving our middle finger 1 string down and adding our pinky on the 3rd fret, 2nd string. And here you just ride the D5 power chord.